The first thing, if you're beginning in Airbnb, the first thing you want to do is you got to make a decision. Do I want to be in this business? You see there's a lot of hype on social media where you see all these people that are making millions of dollars, or they claim they're making millions of dollars from Airbnbs, right? But I am going to tell you that it's probably unlikely. This is a business and it takes time to run a business. Most people in Airbnb fail. Number one, you fail because you don't understand property research and market research, okay? Two biggest things. You get the first property wrong, you are dead in the water, because why would you want to scale to property 1, property 2, property 3 if the first one is failing? Nobody wants to continue to fail. But if you get that first property right, you'll want to go to number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 2, getting a landlord to say yes. Now I'm talking about rental arbitrage here. This is a very hot market where a lot of people are getting into rental arbitrage because of the simplicity and the capital needed to get into it. It's very low barrier of entry. But you have to get the landlord's permission. And all rental arbitrages in Airbnb is we're gonna rent a place, we're gonna get the landlord's permission to rent the property on Airbnb and other platforms. If you are interested in joining my free training, you'll see the link under there as well. It's gonna be a masterclass that everybody's been waiting for all year. It's gonna be amazing. I wanna see each and every one of you guys there. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Let's roll.